Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And if you are looking for WSS promo codes and deals in 2025, this video is for you. Okay, so what you will do is first of all go to your browser and go to the official ShopWSS website. Okay, access the website through www.shopwsss.com, and as you can see on the home page of the website, we already seen a lot of discounts. We have 25% off WSS Athletic. We have free shipping on orders. We have save 10%, as I can see. So we have a lot of deals here, and you can click on this button to shop for more deals. Okay, and make sure you just click on that to shop for more deals so that you can make a decision based on your own choice. The second website we'll be talking about here, guys, is SimplyQuotes. So go to your browser and type the URL simplyquotes.com/store/shopwsss.com. So as you can see, we have more promo codes offering discounts. We have 20% off. You can view the code here, of course. So if you click on maybe this 30%, let's view the code. As you can see, the code is 63337. okay, it's a use code 63337 at WSS, and that's that. As you can see, the third website we'll be talking about here is Coupon Follow. We'll see Coupon Follow. So go to your browser and type couponfollow.com/site/shopwsss.com. okay, so as you can see, we have up to $50 off discount, and we have many other discount codes here. So make sure you go through and look for what best suit your particular need. Okay, yes, and once more, to show the promo code, just click on the button, and if you go back, we're going to see that. Let's just go back, and we're going to see that the promo code. Okay, you can click to copy the promo code. Okay, that's that for the video, guys. If you found the guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.